Hey everyone, if you're on this video, that means you're interested in fixing your credit. That's great. Have you tried a credit repair company but didn't get results? Are you apprehensive about providing your personal information like a social security number to a company that might not be legit? Would you feel better knowing that you have the ability to learn how to fix your credit on your own? Better yet, an easy way to do it? Fixing your credit is so important for so many reasons. Of course, you want to be careful to fix it without worrying about identity theft, credit repair companies not delivering, and without wasting money, while still understanding how to keep good credit once it's repaired. Credit Dispute Cloud provides a one-of-a-kind software that puts the power in your hands. You can fix your credit independently with the user-friendly software and learn valuable information along the way, so you can continue to stay in good standing and pave your way to a stellar credit score. Don't worry or feel overwhelmed if you have bad credit. You can fix it. It's not as complicated as you might think. You've got this. I'll show you how to get started. Let's begin by importing your credit report. It's really easy to do. First, go ahead and log in to Credit Dispute Cloud. Once you've logged in, go ahead and look on the left sidebar. From there, go ahead and click My Identity IQ Details. You'll be prompted to log in with your credentials, so go ahead and do that. Once you type in your credentials, you can click Start Import. And that's all you have to do to import. See, it's really easy. Once your import is complete, you can scroll down a little bit and see your credit score from Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Scroll down a little bit more and you'll be able to see some positive or negative marks. See how easy that was? I told you could do it. After the import, create a dispute letter. To create a dispute letter, go ahead and go to the left-hand sidebar again and click Start Dispute. After you read the directions, go ahead and click Next. And here you will see the details of the negative marks on your credit score. To dispute any of these negative marks, go ahead and scroll down to the bottom and click Create Letter. And depending on your details, you can change the preferences chosen to best fit your credit needs. An option is to do a 4-step dispute letter, which is recommended. So I will go ahead and choose that. And then you can choose the current dispute month, so I'll go ahead and click month 1. And you're also able to choose what type of letter. This is really great because it makes the process even more simple. These letters are written by professionals and they can really work. Just go ahead and choose the letter that works best for your needs and choose which negative mark you would like to dispute. And then go ahead and click Next. And from here, you're able to edit the letter even more so to fit your custom needs in a simple way. Once you have the letter set to what works for you, go ahead and click Save and proceed to print. Then mail the letter and just wait for the results. Now you're well on your way to improving your credit score. No need to waste money hiring a credit professional when you have all the tools you need with Credit Dispute Cloud. There are even credit building tools inside the software along with credit repair tools. Plus, a team that can help you every step of the way, so you have more understanding of the process and feel more comfortable. It's everything you need to take control of your own credit in a user-friendly format. The team can also provide a free 30-minute walkthrough of the software so you feel confident using it. Plus, it's only $1 for the first month, which is such a small price to pay for the huge financial benefits of improving your credit and having the tools available to keep it strong. Take charge of your credit and fix it the easy way with Credit Dispute Cloud.